Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Blair and today's video is a quick, easy makeup routine. I'm probably going to call this 5-minute makeup, but it's closer to 6 minutes. That's still really quick though. The last one of these I did was around 10 minutes. So this is an improvement for me. This is the makeup routine I've been doing pretty much on a daily basis when I just want to put a little bit of makeup on to feel a little bit better and a little more put together. This is the routine that I've been doing and I've really been loving it, so I figured I would share it with you guys. If you enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna go ahead and put my timer up on the screen and we'll go ahead and get started.
Feel like 250,000 bricks are on your shoulder, weighing you down, even though we're floating weightless in the solar. The planet feels heavy right now. Don't be distracted with all the madness. Learn to heal as quick as you feel. The power is magic. Don't make a habit when you're so fragile. Gotta stay in the light, keep a high vibe to be effective. Slow, rest your weary soul. Slow it down. Don't forget to sleep. Close your eyes and breathe. Slow it down. Restore that energy that you've been burning day in and out. Proud of every mile you make despite the hurting. Keep your spirit safe and sound. Don't be distracted with all the madness. Learn to heal as quick as you feel. The power is magic. Don't make a habit. Don't run yourself ragged. Gotta stay in the light. Keep a high vibe to be effective. Slow, rest your weary soul. Slow it down. Don't forget to sleep. Close your eyes and breathe. Slow it down. Don't have no money, but you spend all your time on me. Talking for hours 'cause I'm loving your energy. No matter what we do, never fails to be fun. Could be us dancing or just watching television. 'Cause you are my love language. I think it's time to say this. It's the little things you do that make me feel that you are all that I need. You get me.
So this is the final 5-minute, 6-minute makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it ended up being around 5 minutes and 56 seconds, which is pretty good to me. Like I said earlier, I did one of these a few months ago and I did 10 minutes. So 6 minutes is definitely a big improvement for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely one of my biggest tips if you're wanting to get a really quick makeup routine down that you can do all the time when you just need to do something as quick as possible. I like to use a tinted SPF. This is the one I've been really liking lately. It's from DRMTLGY and they call it a tinted moisturizer. I guess it is. It's a universal tint. So as you saw, it kind of just morphs to your skin tone as you blend it in and just gives you the slightest bit of coverage. It also has SPF 46 and I've really been liking this for every day. So that's one of my biggest tips is try to find a tinted SPF that you like that works for your skin. That way you start out with a little bit of coverage and you don't feel like you have as much to cover. If you have redness, discoloration of any kind, you kind of start out with a little bit of coverage. So that's one of my biggest tips. I also really like face palettes. I know this is not a revolutionary tip, but if you have a face palette, it doesn't have to be this one. This is the holiday face palette from Hourglass this year. I used the bronzer in here on my face and on my eyes and the blushes. This also has the finishing powders and you can do so much with a palette like this. You definitely don't have to have the Hourglass face palette. I have this, so I've been using it, but any face palette you have, it's a great investment, a great thing to have in your collection because they really come in handy for quick makeup looks like this. And then another thing I've been loving lately is just using a lip liner and a lip balm for my lips, and that's it. I usually pick one that's close to my natural lip color and then I just go over it with whatever lip balm I have around. So today I had the Tatcha one. I have tons of them though. Sometimes I use Aquaphor, sometimes I use plain chapstick, sometimes I use my fresh coconut balm. It just kind of depends on the day. But I feel like if you use a really natural lip liner that matches your skin or your lip color and put that on top, it looks really natural, but it looks a little more enhanced than just dry lips because no one likes that. And those are really my main tips. I just kind of play around with these routines until I find something that really works for me. And this is what I've been doing lately, so I figured I would share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already. I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at the same username, simply.blair. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Remember, simply be you. Bye.
Don't have no money, but you spend all your time on me. Talking for hours 'cause